No wasted motion, no room for error, just pure satisfaction from factory machines and ingenious tools. If you like that, you've come to the right video. Welcome back to Satisfying. Today's lineup is packed with pure machine magic. Don't blink. Meet the boxing champ of the factory. This machine packs boxes faster than I pack for vacation. Elsewhere, this machine is firing bristles onto broomsticks like it's training for the Bristle Olympics. Fast, colorful, and oddly satisfying. Give this artist the right electrode, and boom, nature turns into art faster than you can say whoa. Sparks fly, beauty follows. With a shoe rack like this, who needs space-saving hacks? CNC cutting? Smooth, sharp, and straight up satisfying. It's like watching a laser do calligraphy. This box wrapping machine moves like it's dancing at prom, graceful, smooth, and totally in the groove. With these machines and tools, farming's way easier, no more wrestling with the dirt like it owes you money. If you watch this far, your finger owes that like button a tap. And hey, don't ghost the subscribe. These two earth-digging beasts move dirt like pros, fast, powerful, and built for serious work. Up next, let's watch skilled workers in action, precision, focus, and pure mastery on display. This seedling planter moves like it's dancing, planting each sprout with rhythm and grace. Sometimes, one simple idea is all it takes, and just like that, the streets are spotless. Watch this conveyor dance with the bottles, smooth moves, perfect timing, and not a single step out of line. At another factory, CNC machines are showing off their skills, cutting and carving like laser ballerinas on a metal stage. This tiny welder turns anyone into a welding wizard. Smooth seams, zero stress, all flex. Now we witness raw mechanical power, no fancy tech, just pure muscle and metal throwing down like it's arm day. You're looking at a fully automatic gas pumping robot, no small talk, no spills, just fill and chill. Ever wondered how those tiny marks get etched onto a camera viewfinder? You're about to find out. Making a shuttlecock ain't no joke, strict process, sharp eyes, and feathers straighter than your Monday plans. On screen now, the birth of poker cards. machine feels like it's in a fruit peeling championship, fast, focused, and not a drop wasted. And now, the stage belongs to the metal giants. Time to flex those hydraulic muscles in style. Another sweet factory at work. Cakes are suiting up, because even sweets need style before hitting the shelf. These bottles look like they're in boot camp, lined up, locked in, and ready to report for duty. Now that's some next level power, pure, unapologetic, mechanical mayhem.
Don't just watch, join the crew. Like and subscribe for more jaw-dropping content every day. Trust me, the best is yet to come. See you in the next video.